Tao pa na nakaupo, tao po na nakatira sa loob ng shoutout guys. Another tutorial, another song naman tayo. So Glock 9, isa sa mga trending song ngayon, issue ngayon sa ating bansa. Pero ito, simple, 4 chords lang buong kantang ito guys. At madali lang i-play ito, no. Meron lang bar chords, pero sa mga medyo marunong na, madali naman ito i-play. Short video lang ito, 4 chords buong kanta. Start tayo kaagad. Ang strum pala, ito ang strum: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Time natin, time in short. At short video lang ito guys, 4 chords na kasi buong kanta. Bisa natin. So first chord, C sharp minor. So 4th fret yan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, dito 4th fret. So fretboard yan, dito 4th. Okay? So, ganyan B minor, 4th, okay? Para na position ng B minor, 4th fret. The second chord ay B. Okay, B. And the third chord ay A. Simple A, basic A. And then the last chord ay dito sa 4th fret, isang G minor, G sharp minor. So, ganyan F sharp minor, 4th fret, okay? So, remove rin ito para G sharp minor 7, mas magandang tono. Yan. Okay, so 4th fret na niya, yan F sharp minor, 4th fret, pero remove dito ito, yan. So play natin na, so kasama ang string pattern, ulit ang string pattern ito, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Play natin na, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay. Tao po na nakatira sa loob ng down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, yan lang na, buong ganda, 4 chords at short video lang ito kasi 4 chords lang kasi buong ganda. At dito man tutorial, so yung next na upload sa atin trending sa upuan Glock 9. Bye bye guys.